Today we're going to throw together the Heltec V3 Meshtastic node kit. We will have some longer videos on some sensor nodes and infrastructure nodes coming up, but for now we're just going to put the client together. After struggling for a second with the surface mount connector, we do get that snapped on. And then what we're going to do is put the button rocker into the case. One side is a circle, one side is a square. It's a little hard to see. Once we have that done, we're going to go ahead and put the SMA through wall connector in. There is a countersink on the top for the nut, so it's easier to turn that in on the bottom. Might have been easier to not have the board connected while we were doing this. With that done, we'll screw in the board, screen side and down of course. We'll add the antenna before we add power. And then once we add the power, the board should go ahead and power up, and we'll see that here in a second. But we'll throw the back of the case on, where we'll add in some nuts in the slots from the 3D print and go ahead and bolt through down to those. With that, we'll update the firmware off screen, and just like that, we've got ourselves a live Meshtastic client.